friends, welcome to my channel. Today's special dish is Chenna Poda, which is a very famous and traditional sweet dish originally from Nayagarh District in Odisha. Here Chenna means paneer and Poda means burnt or baked. Let's start making the Chenna Poda. Firstly, I have taken 1.5 liters of full fat cow's milk. So we will let this milk boil. To get good quality of Chenna, please always consider full fat milk. So our milk is boiled. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix it properly until the milk is curdled. So you can see water is completely separated from Chenna. Now we will filter and strain the Chenna. Make sure that you are not straining the Chenna for longer time to keep it soft. Now mash the Chenna well and make it soft. Now I'll add 1/4 cup of sooji and half cup of sugar. I've taken here powdered sugar. So sooji helps in binding the Chenna, and if you add powdered sugar when the Chenna is hot, it will help in getting mixed very easily. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Chenna water to it. This is the filtered water from Chenna. We'll mix it well and we'll keep it aside for 15 minutes to ferment. So now it is well fermented after 15 minutes. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee to give it a rich flavor, and I'm adding few dry fruits. I've taken cashews and raisins and cardamom powder. Now we will give it a nice mix. So I will be making this Chenna Poda in a pan. So I have taken this pan and I am preheating this for 10 minutes in medium flame. So I have taken a pan and I have greased this with ghee and I have placed a parchment paper at the bottom. Now I will be adding Chenna Poda mix to this. Just tap to spread it evenly. So our pan is preheated. Now I am placing a stand on top of it. So I have placed Chenna Poda bowl in this. Now we'll let it cook for 30 minutes in medium flame and then we'll let it cook for 15 minutes in low flame. So our Chenna Poda is done. Let's check this with a toothpick. It should come out clean. So that means our Chenna Poda is completely done. So now I'll remove this and we'll let it cool down completely. So Chenna Poda is completely cooled down now. Now we will remove this onto a plate So let me cut the sides so that it will come out easily on the plate. So Chenna Poda is ready to serve.